Hey everybody, my name is Moni and welcome to my channel. So just want to brief you guys. So right now we are about to go get something to eat. I'm about to do my makeup. Yesterday we was walking around the Vegas Strip and I went into NYX and I picked up Alissa's Ashley's new foundation. And it looks like this, and I picked it up in the shade Cappuccino. So I'm gonna start off with, I already put on my moisturizer, which is coconut butter that I use, and then I'm using sunscreen because it's very hot outside. Now I'm using my Makeup Forever Step 1 primer. Okay, so now I'm in the bathroom so you could be able to see what it looks like. So I'm only taking like 2 squirts, 2 pumps. So what do you guys think about it so far? Well, 3 pumps. So it's supposed to be full coverage. I didn't get to read what it does. Just asked the sales lady in the store. She told me it was full coverage, and she matched me with Cappuccino, and I really like the color Cappuccino. So it's not covering my dark circles right here, but it does look very natural. Okay, to me it looks very natural. It looks just like skin. Okay, so I'm gonna finish up my makeup. I am taking Milani Fantastico Mauve, and I'm using that as a blush. Okay, so I also have the Juvia's palette that I've been dying to use, and I'm going to take Kissy. Put it all over my crease, all over under the eyebrow. And then now I'm going to take, let's see, I need a dark transition color. I'm just gonna go, I guess, with this color right here. This is basically the only palette that I have run with me. I'm going with this dark brown. I'll put it in the crease. So now I'm gonna take Cotonau. I'm not even sure if I'm saying these names right. This one right here, Cotonau. And then put it all over my lid. Wow, it's like a nice, pretty blue. Okay, I'm gonna change this color. Okay, so I'm gonna take Kofi right here and just put this all over my eye. like this one much better. Okay, so that's much better. So now I'm gonna take the e.l.f. Eyeliner and line my eyes with it. Okay, so my look is complete. I am taking the Makeup Forever eyelash mascara, I'm just putting it on my eyes. Okay, so the look is done. I'm just gonna put something on my lips. So I'm taking Too Faced Melted Matte Metallic in the color I Dare You, put it on my lips.